Another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners. Go get us. Trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called GOVX. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So GOVX is a clinical stage biotech company that they're really committed to making some safe, effective vaccines as well as immunotherapies against cancer and other infectious diseases. So let's get right into it. Their leadership team, CEO, President David Dodd, outstanding, high qualified management team. Heard a bunch of different interviews. Dodd, if you're not familiar with David, before this he was with a medical device manufacturer, and before that he was with Zentaris, a drug development company. They really do have quite a bit of stuff in their pipeline. Outstanding leadership team. They got an oncology for solid tumor gene direct therapy, Gedeptin, and it's pretty exciting. They're right now in phase 1 and 2 trials for advanced head and neck cancer. They also have this for infectious disease CM04S1, which is a vaccine targeting high-risk immunocompromised patient population. They're in phase 2 trials, also being evaluated as a single dose for immunocompromised patients, for those suffering with hematologic cancers and patients, phase 2 trials for more robust booster. So that's pretty excited. In addition to that, they have some they're non-clinical trials, but they have vaccines for potentially for Zika virus, different fever viruses like Ebola, Sudan, Marburg, Lassa, and malaria. So pretty exciting stuff in their pipeline. Let's look at their pipeline here. I talked about the CM04S1 phase 2 trials going on. They're going to be reporting on that soon. The cancer therapy, Gedeptin, phase 1 and 2 trials. Also potentially for a MUC1 for potential, starting clinical trials in the coming quarters. And then infectious disease, I talked about this. A couple of these are malaria, Lassa fever. These two are right now exploratory. They're not in clinical human trials, but potentially could be in clinical trials for the Zika virus, Ebola. So a lot of stuff going on with their pipeline. I'm really excited to talk about this company. Let's look at their stock price. GOVX, Geovax Labs. Time of the video, it's trading at 55 cents. I mean, I do still think this company, these type of companies right now are, they've been getting hammered. Okay, it's no surprise, 2022, a lot of these companies, high interest rates, keep it really hard to borrow money. And, I still think it's high risk, high reward. I'm still going to monitor this company, but they're going to be reporting on stuff in the coming quarters. They got a lot of compelling stuff going on, stuff in clinical trials. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. Helps my channel grow. I'll monitor this company, and as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.